Alright gents, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Down the two-wheeler here, and today we're doing a test ride of something a bit different to what I'm normally used to. Well, this might look like quite a big bike, but it's actually a 125, which is just crazy because it looks huge. So company Sinus Motorcycles has sent me this to review, so they've given it to me for 2 weeks to just make some videos on, test it out. This is a 69 plate Hyosung, I hope I'm saying that right, Hyosung Aquila 125 Grand Voyage. So yeah man, we're gonna take this out today, do the first ride on it, and just see what it's like. I mean, look at the seat man, this is completely different to anything I've ridden before. I've not really ridden this style of bike, and especially coming off the Ninja, this position just feels really weird. But yeah, pretty cool dash there. You know that I always like the analog rev counters and the digital speedometers. Bars are just nice and wide. So yeah man, this is just gonna be the first ride, first impressions. It's so weird having my feet in front of my sort of chest when I'm riding, because I'm used to my feet being back there on the Ninja. Okay, it's got a very late biting point from what I'm used to. Alright, first test, the U-turn. Can we do it? Oh, it's been a while guys. Oh, there we go. Alright, fine, we're away. Oh my god, this feels so weird to be shifting on this. Anyway, first impressions. Super comfortable man, super comfortable, I like it. If only the Ninja was this pleasant to ride in terms of seat comfort. Get used to this biting point. But yeah, in terms of looks man, this just looks crazy man. Like that, this does not look like a 125. If I didn't tell you that was a 125, I could have fooled you saying it's a 600 or something of the sort. So yeah man, there's a 125, looks amazing man, looks like a proper big bike. I like the speedo actually, nice and clear, easy to read. Got a rev counter. First ever 125 I rode didn't even have a rev counter, so that's always nice. I can see out these mirrors nice and clearly. Drop a gear. Oh! That 125 power guys. It's got a really fat tire for a 125, so it feels quite sturdy actually. It doesn't feel like it's about to tip over. It's super light obviously, which is why it's just like all over the place, but it feels stable when when you're just riding it. No gear indicator obviously, so I'm not sure what gear I'm in. Let's go. I've no idea how many gears it's got, but we're getting some speed now. We're getting some speed. Let's try a bit of filtering out. We actually need to go that way. There you go, straight to the front, easy peasy. Yeah, so I know I always say this, but on a 125 there's no difference between 2% throttle and 100% throttle. It just makes a little bit more noise, but it doesn't do anything. It just doesn't do anything. But you know, that's the joy of 125s man. You got to drop 3 gears just to overtake. Don't know if that was a false neutral. Yeah, man, it's nice. It's nice. Nimble. Ah, brake. There you go. Can stop for traffic lights, which is always good. Yeah, buddy. Clutchless upshifts are nice and smooth. Let's see how many gears it's got. Alright, I think it's only got 5 gears, I think. That's all we need, man. Who needs more than 5 gears? Woo! I mean, I don't want to blow it up on my first ride, but she's getting some speed. Alright, mate. She's getting some speed now. It sounds like it's about to blow up, so we'll just ease off a bit. Yeah, seat's nice and comfortable, riding position's good. First impressions are pretty pleasant. I think we did hit a false neutral though a bit ago, so that's a slight worry that we've hit that already on the first ride. But you know, such is life. Yeah, I just thought I'd do some rides of some, you know, like everyone's always riding these big bikes these days, and no one really does many 125 reviews, and obviously there's a lot of aspiring 125 riders out there, so that's why I wanted to do this. This is for you guys. And then I thought, you know what, not everyone can afford a Yamaha R125 or, you know, a KTM or whatever, so why not review some of the more affordable options for people. So I'm not sure how much this is. I'll put the price on the screen, but it's much more affordable than some of the more premium brands, and if it does the job, looks cool, you know, gets you from A to B, why not, man? Why not? Got a headlight flash, beam. Oh, it's got hazard lights, that's cool. The horn sounds so funny, man. It's got a horn, it's got a kill switch, indicators. That's about it. That's all you need, really. These handles are really they feel a bit cheap. I mean, they look like kind of off a bicycle or a skipping rope. I don't know, could look a bit better than that, but you know, you get what you pay for, really, don't you? As long as the bike works. In terms of reliability, I can't really speak for that because I've, you know, I've only been riding it for 15 minutes, but it's not broken down yet. Wow, that front brake is a bit spongy for me. I mean, even as far as 125s go, it's a bit, you know, not much really happens. Just have one last look at her. Yeah, look at that. What a beauty, man, for a 125. Also, something really cool that I just noticed. The valves where you fill up the tyres have literally got a 90-degree bend in them already. Oh my god, why doesn't every bike do that? That's so good. But yeah, man, there she is. Look at that seat. Super soft. Oh. Oh. Alright. Didn't want to go into first there. What's that about? Alright, so the gearbox is pretty smooth when it's working, but I've had one false neutral, and just then it didn't want to go into first for some reason, but when it's working and you're shifting, it's quite smooth. Yeah, to conclude then, it's basically it's really good looking 125, looks like a much bigger bike, definitely. Can't tell it's a 125, especially when you've not got L plates on. Feels pretty sturdy for a 125 because of the size of the tyre. And yeah, it's a good price, man. It does the job for the price. In terms of reliability, I can't really speak. But yeah, we'll do a few tests over the next few days that we've got it. But those are my initial impressions. First ride, test ride, whatever we want to call it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see anything else on this bike, or in fact any of the bikes that you want to see me test ride. Make sure you check out Sinners Motorcycles if you're interested in it. I'll put their link in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
This is Line on the side.